Hello guys, welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about reducing WordPress Docker image vulnerabilities, known as CVE. But first of all, what is a CVE? According to Red Hat website, CVE, short for Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures, is a list of publicly disclosed computer security flaws. When someone refers to a CVE, they mean a security flaw that's been assigned a CVE ID number. Okay, and after that, our first step, if you don't have it installed yet, you need to install Docker. And it is cross-platform for Linux, Mac, Windows. And it is very simple to install. After this step, we will take a look on the official WordPress image CVEs and how you can install it. You can install it with the command line. Copy this, okay, and go to the command line and install it. Or you can use your Docker desktop. So let's go to Docker desktop to give you a demonstration. For example, here we are on Docker desktop. And first of all, you need to search for WordPress. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the official WordPress image. And what you will do, for example, you can pull this image. It will install it locally. Okay. And for example, if you click on it, you will see more info about it. You will see tags, you will see quick reference, okay, and it has also the instructions on how to use this image, okay, and this is the YAML file, okay, but this is how you would install it. And also what we are going to do, we are going to install also the chain guard base image for WordPress. And as you can see, this is the instruction. As I said, for WordPress image, you can pull this image from the repo, okay, like so, by clicking on the button pull, or you can install it via command line. For example, let me show you the command line. So after installing the Docker, okay, so if you install it properly, you should be able to go confidently to the command line and pull the image. Okay, so this is how you can install it via command line. And now let's go back to Docker, my Docker. Okay, and now after installing it, we will go to image. Okay, and like I've said to you, the first step is to search for WordPress, okay, in the entire repo, and you will see a list of, you would choose what would be the best for you. But in my case, I choose the WordPress image and the chain guard WordPress base image. And after that, let's check the vulnerabilities. For example, let's check first for WordPress. Okay, as you can see, it will run, and you will see here on the right side all the vulnerabilities for WordPress. And as you can see, it has multiple layers of vulnerabilities. Okay, so this is the WordPress image. And now, so let's go back to, also I have to mention, so you can check the vulnerabilities via command line also. Okay, so as I have my Docker desktop installed, and it is really simple to check it, right? And now let's check the WordPress chain guard base image. And here, so as you can see, it has 0 vulnerabilities. Okay, so you can see the difference by yourself. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back to the browser, and so you can give a look to the chain guard image. Okay, so if security matters to you, you can definitely take a look. Okay, and also check their repo. As you can see, eliminate your CVEs, and they have a bunch of images, so you can check what is the best that can fit your need. And in my case, for example, if I'm searching for WordPress, okay, and as you can see, I have already get it here. Okay, and now this is how you can install it with your Docker file. Okay, so that was it, guys. If security matter to you, I highly suggest you to take a look and use it, test it, and see the result. So now you can make better decisions for your enterprise. So that was it, guys and girls. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.